Okay, YouTube, Todd here again, Some Guitar Guy. First off, thanks for watching. And what we're looking at is something that has concerned me since learning about it. That is the cam chain adjuster on my '06 Boulevard S40. You see, it has adjusted. It is out, but it still should have some more play. I guess it's or some more room here to extend. It's getting there, but for now it appears fine. I really am not equipped to alter it myself, so I'll probably go ahead and order one, and maybe next oil change go ahead and swap that out. But it is fine for now. I have on occasion, usually after longer rides, heard the cam chain, not excessively, but heard it rattle. It's a pretty easy, if you're worried about this, pretty easy check. You will need to remove the exhaust here, 2 bolts, 14 millimeter maybe. Mine has the Dynapipe, so I had to remove this bolt and then loosen these two for this trim piece, like a heat shield. And that also holds the peg and brake assembly. And then it's 12 bolts, all 8 millimeter all the way around, but I did organize them because 2 of them are, you see the longer lengths, and comes right off the gasket, still in good shape. Probably next time I'll order a replacement gasket, but we'll button her back up and kind of go from there. It gives me a chance to clean. You see where this oil has leaked from removing the side case, but also when you change the oil, it runs down the side case. You see it gets everywhere. But so it sets my mind at ease, seeing this. It's not an emergency. It hadn't come completely apart. There's still some room there for it to work. Not sure how much longer this piston is. I'm guessing to roughly there, but probably go ahead and order that modified part just to make sure. Could probably make it another, I don't know, maybe even the rest of the season, but I'll go ahead and put the order in, and next day off and weather permitting. But at least I don't have to worry about anymore the I don't know, engine locking up or anything really detrimental. Oh, and I did, just to make it easier, disconnect the clutch cable, so fairly easy. And gives me a chance, since I drained the oil, to try a new oil. I'm going to try that Rotella 4T 15W40. All right, I guess that's it for now. So that's good news. My engine is not going to die yet. 2 wheels down.